Hey, this is Mike coming at you from our kitchen. I have my bed head going on, but we're going to try cleaning our dishwasher with vinegar. Never done it before, so here are the steps. Run the mill white vinegar. Fill up a 1 cup of vinegar. Slide it into the dishwasher. And this thing here's got film all up on it and stuff. Even after a clean wash cycle, you can see there's residue left. And the dishwasher sort of smells like a wet dog at the end. So we're going to try to fix that problem. All right. We're going to press start and close. Now, what you didn't see here is that I selected the sanitized cycle and the longest cycle. I want as much heat in there as possible. And then when we're done, that 1 cup plastic cup deal in there will be full of water, but we should have a nice clean dishwasher at the end. So we'll check back in with you later on. Geez, if we're going to do the dishwasher, we may as well do the coffee pot. You know what I'm saying? This is my beastly coffee pot, and it's getting kind of funky. And I'm also getting a cleaning warning on it. So we're going to do the white vinegar in here. What we're going to do is add, I don't know, fill this about a third, half of the way up maybe, and the rest water. We're going to run it until that pot's about half full, and I'm going to shut it off and just let it sit and soak. All right, let's see if we can film this without screwing it up. For me. Bring out the handy dandy pot filler. All right, ladies, if you don't have a pot filler, you need to have your man get you a pot filler, or your girlfriend, or whoever you decide to hang out with. But these things are a lifesaver. Ooh, stinky. All right. Just tuck that dude right back there and we're good to go. Close the lid ever so gently and brew. All right, we're not going to sit here and stare at this all day long. All right, we've let the coffee pot sit for a while. Now we're going to finish time-lapsing it. Okay. Look at the foam. Get rid of this. Little fancy touch. I'll take a while to get rid of them bubbles. That dude off. Take a little while to get all this stuff out, isn't it? I think we're clean. So we're gonna dump this out. And we're just gonna cycle clean water through a couple more times just to make sure we get all the vinegar out. And we're done with that. So now we're waiting for the dishwasher. Oh, coffee pot. That's tiny bubbles in my wine. Makes me happy. Makes me feel fine. Oh yeah, we're totally reduced on the bubble end here now. Good deal. You close that and get a paper towel. I'll wipe off the face of this coffee pot. Get all the goo off of there. Pretty nasty, right? Had a guy in the Army tell me one time, when you clean your coffee pot, you've totally screwed the whole thing up. Because it takes away from the flavor and whatever. I'm like, whatever, dude. We're not living like dirtbags over here. All right, let's run some more fresh water through. A little funky right there, but for the most part, looking good.